Hey guys, in this video, we're going to show you how to share your WhatsApp QR code on Android. This is a great feature if you want to quickly share your contact information with someone. To get started, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, tap the three dots on the top right corner of the screen to open the Settings menu. From the Settings menu, tap Settings. Next, tap the QR code displayed next to your name. Tap the share icon and then select a contact or app to share the QR code with. Once you've selected the contact or app, tap Send to share the QR code. And that's it. Sharing your WhatsApp QR code on Android is a quick and simple process. It's a useful feature if you want to quickly share your contact information with someone. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.